First, let's unpack the box. All accessories are shown on the bottom right corner of the video. Now, let's begin the installation. ASA start. Please placing the electrostatic sticker in the appropriate position. On the car windshield. I recommend placing it behind the rear view mirror. This way, you can get a good perspective. Next, remove the 3M adhesive from the dash cam unit. Attach the dash cam to the electrostatic sticker. Align the dash cam parallelly before attaching. The mount can be adjusted like this to achieve the best front lens angle. If you want to remove the dash cam, separate the mount by lifting it upward and reattach it by snapping it back. Now, let's wire the car charger. Insert the Type-C head into the dash cam. If you cannot hide the cable in the headliner, use the cable clip provided in the package to secure the cable. Conceal the cable as shown in the video. Plug the car charger into the cigarette lighter. Start the car, check if the dash cam starts up correctly. Remove the screen protector and the front lens film. Now, let's proceed with the installation and wiring of the rear camera. Follow the video to route the cable from the front windshield to the rear windshield. Hide any excess cable. Now, attach the rear camera to the rear windshield. Ensure the lens faces the right side for the correct perspective. Place the rear camera in the center and towards the top of the rear windshield for the best view. Start the car. The rear camera will appear in the top left corner of the screen. Use the left button to switch between front and rear views.